Morning guys, this is Heather. I am in New York still this week, so I started my day off with a run in Prospect Park, which was lovely, a little hot, but lovely. Before that, I did have a little bit of coconut water to hydrate. My throat's been pretty dry since I've been here. Anyway, now it's time for breakfast. Since I'm in New York, I am having a bagel. This one is a quinoa cranberry one, and I'm putting some red pepper hummus on it, which is really tasty. And then I'm gonna have some coconut milk yogurt, and I'm gonna add a scoop of this Navitas Organics Immunity Daily Superfood Boost. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there and stir it in. And top that off with some blackberries and slice up some strawberries. Oh, and a little B12. So I'm heading to meet a friend for lunch. My brother suggested a taco place that's just around the corner, and I haven't tried it before, so I'm kind of excited. They do have a vegan taco, but they're not a vegan restaurant. I often like to do that when I'm meeting people who aren't vegan, but the vegan taco is tempeh and beet, which are two of my favorite things in a taco. Tacos are really, really good. I don't really like filming my friends while we're eating, but she is not vegan and she really liked the beet tempeh tacos. She had the same ones. So it was cool. It was like a mixture of beet and tempeh kind of ground up. So she was saying the texture was fairly similar to like a beef taco filling, but obviously it wasn't, and it tasted good. It wasn't like beefy kind of flavor, but it was just really good in its own right. So, vegan tacos, excellent lunch. All right, I'm heading up for dinner with my mom, my sister-in-law, and my 3 nephews. Things get a little crazy in there, so I'm gonna say bye now. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy a day in my life in Brooklyn. Hope you're eating something wonderful and healthy. Next week we're gonna be making some raspberry cheesecake squares for my youngest nephew's birthday party. So you're gonna wanna tune in for that. Make sure you check back here next week. Subscribe to my channel and you get notification when it pops up. All right, talk to you then. Bye guys.